Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope that you are very fit and fine. And of course, I am your friend Sapna Singh. You know that I am here for learning English communication skill, and of course to help you to learn English communication skill. As you know that this time I am learning English communication skill with the help of story and motivational storytelling. So I would like to suggest you to please, if you are also learner, if you are also beginner, so you should also try this method. You should also try to apply this method. This will definitely help you guys. If it is helping me, so I can claim it, I can say that it will definitely help you. So guys, today before starting my story, I would like to tell about weather at my place. Actually today the weather is very good and cool and pleasant as well, and earlier it was very scorching and sweltering, but today it is nice. So, and there's a good and beautiful vibe is coming from weather side. And actually guys, if I said I'm feeling very tired, and today my day in my school was very hectic, but yes, still I'm feeling like good and still making video due to the effect of good weather. It's very good, so I'm also feeling good due to weather. So guys, without any further delay, let's start our today's topic. Actually guys, today I have chosen a very beautiful motivational story, and it is about how to overcome our fear, how to remove our fear from our heart, how to get rid of fear from our heart, how to throw away our fear. Because we know guys that we all means people in the world used to carry some type of fear in our self, in our heart. And so let's talk about the story. Actually once upon a time there was sitting a monk in the under the very big tree out of the village, and this under the same big tree there's lived a mouse in the hole. And the one day the monk was sitting under the tree for doing meditation, for his meditation. So that time he observed that mouse, that he was repeatedly trying to get out of his burrow and of his hole, but due to some fear he go back to his burrow. So after observing for several times, the monk used the power of his mantra and started talking to that mouse. And at first he asked to the mouse that, oh my dear friend, just tell me, I observed for many times that you want to come out of your burrow, but due to some fear you go back. So are you scared of me? The mouse said that time, no dear monk, I am not scared of you, but yes, there's lived a very dangerous cat are all around the trees, and I am scared of those cat. And if I said I'm feeling very hungry, and I am hungry for several days, and due to the fear of that those cat, I am not able to come out of my burrow, and still I am not coming out, getting out of my burrow due to this fear. But yes, I want to come out and I want to search some food for myself. So the monk started making him understand, like look my dear friend, actually we all means every person has to face death one day, and death is certain, it will come to all definitely one day. So how long will you, how long will you keep dying every day like this, of this fear? So you have to be strong, you have to be fearless, and You have to come out, you have to throw away this fear from your heart, and you have to come out of your burrow and search your food. And yes, of course, you should be a little careful about that cat. But yes, you can't live your life like so covered, means in such type of fear. So that time the rat said that, oh, monk, you don't know about those cat were very dangerous, and if I have a fear, like if I came out from of my burrow, then they will definitely kill me and they will definitely eat me, because you don't know that how dangerous they are. And I wish sometime that I wish that if I were also a cat, so I would live my life fearlessly, and I would live here and there, means in forest fearlessly. So the rat said to monk that, oh monk, if you really want to give me any favor, if you really want to do something for me, so please, I request you to please make me a cat, because I want to be cat. If I become cat, then I will go in the forest everywhere, means wherever I want, without fear, and I can search my food easily. So the monk felt that time, and by saying this, the rat started crying very badly and sadly. So after saying this, the monk felt pity on that rat, and the monk said, okay my dear friend, if you want to be a cat, then okay, I will definitely make you cat. And that time the monk just used the power of his mantra and muttered some his mantra from his mouth, and just turned the rat into a cat. So after becoming a cat, the rat became very happy, and he jumped with joy and go away in search of food in the forest. So after some time, and after some time again, the monk came near under the tree and sat down and started his meditation. So that time he listened the crying of a cat, and when he opened his eyes, he saw the cat was sitting in front of him and started crying, and said, then monk asked that, oh my dear friend, now I have made you cat, you wanted to make cat, so now why are you crying, what is bothering you? So that time the cat said that, oh my dear monk, even since I have become cat, I'm still not happy, because one day when I went in the forest in search of food, some dog attacked me, and I barely saved my life from them. So please, I request you to please, I have fear, so so please now just make me cat, dog. So that time the monk again felt pity on the cat when he started crying badly. So the monk that time made him dog. So after that, after becoming a dog, he again became very happy and went in happiness in the forest, like searching his food. And the monk also went from there to their place. And again, after a few days, when monk again came for his meditation under this tree, when he sat down, so again he started listening the crying of dog. And the dog, when he opened eyes, then saw the dog was sitting in front of him and started crying very badly and pathetically. And again the monk asked, oh my dear friend, now why are you crying? Now you wanted to be a dog, and now you are a dog, so why are you crying now? So that time the dog said, dear monk, after becoming dog, I'm still not happy, I'm still fearing, I'm still afraid of lion, because one day when I went in search of food, so one lion attacked me, and I narrowly escaped of that lion. So please, now I would like to request you to please make me lion, because I think lion is the king of the forest, and he used to wander here and there freely, and he doesn't need to afraid of anyone. So please make me lion now. So that time the monk again felt pity on his and on his crying. So the monk again used the power of his mantra, just muttered some mantra from his mouth, and then turned the dog into lion. And after becoming lion, of course, he was very happy, and he was just over the moon that time. And he went away in overjoyed. And when he went in the forest for search of food, at that time monk also left from there to his place. And when after some days again the monk came under that tree, of course, for his meditation. Then again he listened the crying of lion. When he closed his eyes for meditation, so he started listening the crying of lion, and when he opened his eyes, then he saw that the lion was sitting in front of him and crying very badly. Then the monk asked that, "Oh, my dear friend, now why are you crying? Now you are lion, means the king of forest. So now you don't need to cry, you don't need to be afraid of anyone." So that time the lion said, "Oh, my dear monk, ever since I had become lion, I am still fearing. I have still fear. I am not happy, because one day when I was wandering in the forest, so some people started following me, and they wanted to prison me, and kept me in their cage. So now I think that if I go in the forest means for my any work, then definitely that people will approach me, and they will imprison me, and they will keep me in their cage. So I am not happy, and I am still scaring of those people. So please, now I want to be human. So please just give me a last favor, and please make me human, because I want to live my life fearlessly." So that time the monk started thinking about the lion, that okay, means how coward the lion was. And the monk said, "Look, my friend, now if you are still fearing, like despite of being lion, means the king of forest, if you are still fearing, it means the real fear is inside you, in your heart. And with the power of my mantra, I can change only your body, not your heart. I can't change your heart. So if you really want to live your life fearlessly, so you have to throw away this fear from your heart. Only then you can live your life fearlessly, because the real fear is inside your body, and I can't change it. It is in your heart. So only you can remove this fear, only you can get rid of this fear, means by yourself. I means I if just suppose I can make you human, lion, anything, but your heart will always be the mouse heart, means the coward heart. So if you really want to be fearless, so you have to be fearless by yourself. So that time the means lion realized, okay, the monk is right, the real fear is inside me, inside my heart. So that time he had made up his mind to live his life fearlessly and whatever he is. So he said to monk that, monk, please now just make me rat, my miss the real who I am, make me rat. And the monk of course made him rat that time, and after becoming rat, now the rat started living his life fearlessly, and of course now he was very happy, and he has completely overcome his fear. And of course after overcoming his fear, he started living his life happily. So guys, in our life we always if we see there are many people who have like afraid inwardly of something or someone. And if we say about our English talking, so look, sometimes we also saw there are many people who are unable to speak English. And why? Just because of their fear, because inwardly they are scaring of someone. Like if I start speaking with someone, and what if I do any mistake, and what will people think of me if I do any mistake, if I speak something wrong. So this type of fear, and this is fear, we inwardly we are facing it, and this is called the fear of inferiority complex and inadequacy. And this is the real fear in our heart, and this fear is stopping us to speak English. So my dear friend, if you are also passionate about English language, so I would like to request you to please throw away this type of fear from yourself, and don't try to think anything about it, that what people will think about us if we speak and something wrong, if we do any mistake. So just remove this type of feeling from your heart, and just start your English talking. How much knowledge you have, it doesn't matter. How much vocab you have, it doesn't matter. Just only you should try to speak English. And of course I can claim that if you try to speak English, then gradually you will learn more and more, means little by little, but yes, you will learn all things. But before doing this, first of all, try to get rid of fear. Get rid of your fear from your heart, and of course if you do this, then definitely you will achieve your goal of fluency, having a good command over English language. And of course sometimes we see that there are some people in the world who, like any worker person, used to afraid of their boss, and some people used to afraid of death, some people used to afraid of future. Some students, there are also some students who used to afraid of exam. So these all are just these type of fear, means most of the people are besetting in the world. So in my today video, I only wanted to make you understand that you should also remove this type of fear from yourself, and try to be confident, try to sound confident, whatever you speak, whatever you want. Just look at me. Before it, I was also such type of person, but now I am doing this because I'm also feeling that little by little I am overcoming my fear and my inferiority complex and all. So guys, please, I would like to request you, if you are new on my channel, so please like and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in the comment box if you are taking interest in my story, and if you are not, also let me know, because very excited to know about your point of view, that what are you thinking about my story, and how did you find my today's motivational story. Please let me know in the comment box. So till then, bye bye guys, take care. I will see you in my next video.